Service, part 2. Hello, my love. This is also service. You are connecting with me so that I can greet you and give you my love. When you connect with God, make time for me. It's a service to yourself, to me, and to all. You see, depending on what serves the moment, the perception is that you are doing service to yourself, or God, or another. The truth is that it's all at the same time. There are perspectives in which you see it, but let's say you take time to massage yourself. This is creating a ripple effect in the space with another and in your relating to God, for example. We all win and benefit, and it's in service to the whole. So everything that you intentionally decide to put your attention to offer your gifts to tend to, is actually service to all. There's no other way. It's more powerful and amplified when you feel into the moment and decide intentionally, consciously, what best serves the moment. So that's also another perspective to service. By being what best serves the moment, it's actually service to all. This moment-by-moment service can take multiple shapes. When you are in the moment, you can decide consciously to serve from truth and radical responsibility, as you say, with love, kindness, and respect, what shape your service takes. More on this later. I love you. Service. Service. I feel that for this one, the best practice I found so far to gain clarity over this and to know what is of service, this moment by moment service, is to ask myself, what do I really want to do right now? To close my eyes, to put one hand on my heart and the other on my belly, and to just ask myself, what would you truly want to do right now? What would make you happy right now? And sometimes it's praying, sometimes it's going to swim, sometimes it's talking to a friend, sometimes it's recording videos. That's reason. So close your eyes and ask yourself, what would make you happy now? That's simple. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.